welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, it is my first ever Halloween video on my channel. I have a Halloween thing going on behind me. I have my Halloween setup. I even have my Halloween shirt on and my ears. I'm so excited to do my first ever Halloween video, and I thought it would just be perfect if we did making 3 different types of Halloween slime. This Halloween, I'm so excited because I have a bunch of new slime ingredients that we are going to be making. The 3 different types of slime we're going to be making are clear Halloween glitter slime, clear Halloween butter slime, and clear Halloween spooky slime. So I think we should just get started and look at all the new things I have. So in this basket we have orange Model Magic clay, glow in the dark glitter glue, foam soap, a big thing of glue, a bunch of smaller clear glues and things like that, a bunch of glitter, shaving cream and lotion, googly eyes, and of course food coloring. So I think it's just right to get started making some slime. The first slime I'm going to be making is a purple spooky slime. So for that you are going to need a bowl and a spoon, some googly eyes. I have the medium size, but you can pick whatever size you like. Some blue and red food coloring or purple paint or just purple food coloring, but I'm going to be making dark purple. Some foam soap, a bottle of clear glue, but you can really do as much as you want. I'm just going to make a bottle. And you're also going to need some glitter. I'm going to be using silver and black glitter. Alrighty, the first thing we're going to put in our bowl here is the clear glue. Wow, it's so cool. It's super clear. I'm just going to keep getting as much as I can out. And now we're going to put some foam soap in it. And I'm going to put like 3 or 4 pumps in there. And now we're going to mix. This is what it looks like right now. It looks great. I'm super happy. So now we're going to put our food coloring in. I'm going to put 2 drops of red. 1, 2. 1 drop of blue. That's 1 drop. And now I'm going to mix it together, and if I need any more food coloring, then I'll put more in. We are done with the food coloring, and I'm going to add my silver and black glitter. Okay, now we're going to mix. Can you guys see how pretty that looks? We're going to activate. For activator, I'm using clear, no scent Tide. And it's amazing because if I wanted to scent my slime, I could. I'm back, and this is what my slime looks like. I just kept kneading it. I cleaned out the bowl with it. It looks awesome. This is what it looks like. So now we're going to add the spooky ingredient, and of course that's googly eyes. So let's put this back in our bowl, and we'll get the googly eyes. Okay, I'm just going to dump them in, and I'll show you guys. Ready? Oh, one went flying. Guys, look how cool that is. Okay, now let's knead them in. I finished our spooky slime. So if you guys loved this slime, then let me know and we can do more slimes like this. But now we're going to move on to the other clear slime. Moving on to our next clear slime, we have clear glue, of course our bowl and spoon, shaving foam, activator, red food dye, and I have a bunch of different colored like false like glitters and just a bunch of different colors. So I'm just going to be putting all of them in with some red food dye, and it's going to look awesome. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the next slime I'm going to be teaching you how to make is another glitter slime. So of course you're going to need clear glue, but I already poured mine in my bowl. You're going to need foam soap, a bunch of different glitters, whatever colors you want. I picked a bunch of fall and Halloween colors. And then you're going to need some red food dye and of course activator. Let's get started. So after you're done pouring in your clear glue, then you're going to put your foam soap. Same amount as last time, and of course mix. When you're done mixing, now it's time to put in all your glitters. So I'm going to put in my huge orange one first. Look how gorgeous this is. Okay, it's time to mix it. And now the last step to making our jack-o'-lantern slime complete is 3 drops of red food dye. Now it's time to activate. Guys, we finished our slime. It's fully kneaded. It's gorgeous. Let me clean up really quick and we'll move on to our third final slime, which is our pumpkin butter slime. I just cleaned my bowl. Everything's nice. And now we're moving on to our last slime of the day. The ingredients you will need are Model Magic Clay. You can either get white and dye it orange, but I just got orange because it was there. Of course, your foam soap again. Some white glue. I have a big bottle, but I also have a tinier bottle. You're going to need some lotion, activator of course, and I'm using glow-in-the-dark glue to make it even better, but you don't have to use this. The first step, like always, is adding your glue, so I'm going to add this and a little bit of my big bottle. I finished adding my white, and now I'm going to add my glow-in-the-dark. Next, we're going to add our foam soap like we always do. And then we're going to add some lotion. Let's mix. There's so much stuff in here. It's actually so heavy. Now that it's all mixed together and there's literally so much glue in here, it's so heavy. Let's activate. Okay, it's fully kneaded and it looks awesome. I'll let you hear some like bubble pops. Ready? Sounds great. So now we are going to open the Model Magic clay. Here we go. So the Model Magic clay is kind of hard, like always, so we're going to have to add lotion to it. See how it's stretching a little bit more now because of the lotion? That's what we want. Let's add it in. Oh geez. Okay, you guys can see it, so we're just gonna keep kneading and folding and things like that. Alrighty guys, we finished our pumpkin butter slime. There's literally nothing else to do to this slime because it's stretchy, it's thick, it's butter slime, and it's orange, just like a pumpkin. These are our 3 final slimes that we made for Halloween. We have our pumpkin butter slime, our jack-o'-lantern clear glitter slime, and our spooky slime, which is purple and it has our googly eyes in it. So let's start from the beginning, open them up, see how they are, and give you some ASMR. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed making slime with me, especially these 3 slimes, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell, share it with your friends, go over to my recent Instagram post, comment what you think, and hopefully we can do this again. So, see you guys next time. Bye!